See, this is the chicken I'm making and the rice. Morning, my S. Today we woke up with a funny sound outside. When I go check, we find that our geyser is leaking. So I'll show you just now what I'm talking about. I hope the people from the insurance, they can, not fix but replace with a new one, because I don't think it can be fixed like that. Oh, Bruno. Now Bruno is moving up and down. Look at Bruno. Look at Bruno. He's waking up Tadeo. He's asking Tadeo to wake up. Okay. He's forcing Tadeo to wake up. So, yeah.
Oh, wake me.
See my S. This is where it's leaking. It's coming out there from the geyser. So I place that bucket so that the water cannot spill. But we called the insurance company to come and fix or replace. So they came. They just left. My S, yo. Obviously with insurance you need to pay access, like an access fee. So they came, they checked, but access is not that much. So they said they are going to replace the geyser, which is good, unlike fixing it. So maybe they will come sometime. Hey, my S. Because if they don't come back tomorrow, it means tomorrow is Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, we will be without hot water. Because I asked them to, you see that door? Yeah, I asked them to go in and just, close the geyser so that it does not leak. So it means that we don't have hot water from the geyser, meaning we have to use a kettle. But I have a kenale ene. Let me show you. And I have this. You see this? Yeah, I have this. So it might come handy. It will definitely come handy. It go handy because yo hey my ass, it go handy on, but it's going to be a bit of an inconvenience. Fortunately, it's the weekend. So why am I dark? What's happening to this phone? So it's going to be it's back again to dark. What's going on, Mar? I don't know, guys. It's too bright. In any event, I just came to give you an update of the geyser, because it's just, we are now without hot water, but we'll see. Maybe they will come back tomorrow. If they don't, it means for the whole weekend we do not have hot water. And my F's, it is a new vlog. I almost forgot because the geyser now is stressing me. Yes, my F's, it is a new vlog, my F's. So I just came here to open up this vlog and welcome you all, my F's, to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Ngapetla, housewife ya Mokasi, and that housewife who brings you a day-to-day life of a township housewife. Anything that has got to do with township, you come to me, my F, and I will show you around. So yes, my F, that is the update. Yeah, our geyser. So now, as it stands, I'm cooking. I'm preparing lunch for my husband. As we all know, he eats at home for lunch. So I'm busy with chicken and rice. I didn't cook with you because I'm late, but yeah, I'm just telling you that I'm preparing chicken and rice for him. So let me quickly finish cooking because he'll be here. What time is it? It is 9:20. He'll be here around, I still have time, around 11:30. So yeah, this geyser is really stressing me out. That's why I'm thinking that everything is just not going according to plan, but I'm on time. So let me finish cooking my eggs and I will talk to you later. You see, this is the chicken I'm making and the rice. I'm out. And I do the same. I do the same. Yeah. Okay. Hey, 1 point. No.
Day 1. Day 2.
Bruno, stop it! Bruno, stop it! I'm no longer playing. You see now, I lost.
Bruno.
I lost. Stop it! Bruno doesn't want me to. Morning, my S. Today is a beautiful day. We don't even have rain today, so it's good. Because you know why it's a beautiful day? I say it's good or it's a beautiful day. I have to take my daughter to school today. Normally she travels with my husband. My husband drops her off. Yeah. Today I have to take her to school. We are going to use an Uber or Bolt. I don't know, my apps. I have seen parents there are children who travel alone with Ubers and Bolts. I'm not sure how safe is that. My daughter she'll be fine. She can go alone with a Bolt or with an Uber. But I'm a bit scared. I don't know. I really don't know. I wish I had that thing that other parents have. Yahori, they let their kids, because she's only 10. She's only 10 years old. So how do I let her go alone ka Uber? How am I going to be sure if she reached the school and it's still like it's morning now? So I don't know my F's. Do you think it's safe to do that, or should I start doing that, like letting my daughter, do certain things without me? Because I'm a bit, I don't know. Some people say it's safe. Some even say their kids travel every day to and from, rather to school with an Uber, and they go and fetch them after school, since they cannot request themselves, from school. So the parents would then go fetch them, or whoever is around can go and fetch them with an Uber. But in the morning they request for them and they are dropped off at school. So how with everything that is happening now, is it safe? Is it okay? Should I know it won't be today. I know today I'm taking her, but I'm just asking for future, because it might happen again. So I don't know, but today I am taking her to school. I can't let her go alone. I'm still not ready for that. Let's hope one day I'll be ready. Let's just get ready, and so that we can go. Now it's 6:20. She's going to take a bath, and afterwards I prepare myself too, because we have to be here at around 7:15. So we have like an hour to prepare. So yeah, my ex, I'll see you when I get back, because I want to do this fridge. I want to clean the fridge when I come back. So we will do that when I get back. I have laundry that I washed yesterday. It was late when I did the laundry, so it's not dry yet, so I have to hang it. So I will probably hang it when I come back, or before. Let me hang it now, and yeah, let me hang the laundry now. My F, I just got back from school. It was a quick thing, like it's that you make the trip, you go, you come back. Yeah, I did that. I just dropped her off and came back immediately. So now I want us to deal with this fridge. It's dirty now. My ass, let me tell you. Remember, I went outside to hang the laundry. After that, I I had to stop. Like I had to stop hanging laundry because my daughter, remember I told you that she was taking a bath. She just started taking a bath. Maps, can you believe when something said before I even finished hanging the laundry, I said, let me just check on her. I came in, she was just sitting, relaxing in a tub. Then I had to quickly help her bath fast and dress her, and I had to prepare myself as well. I had to take a bath and so I left that laundry there. So I just came back now and I'm going to finish hanging it, and then we clean this fridge. And my daughter was also insisting that she wants to go to school alone. Like she said, Mommy, let me go. I want to go alone. I've never people. She sees kids at her school. Their transport dropping them off every now and then. And they come and pick them up. So she said, I said, but this is not your everyday transport. It's a Bolt, it's an Uber. I cannot allow you. This person I don't even know. He's a stranger to me. So not that anything, but like I cannot do that, not now. So she was like, but Mommy, I also want. I said no. So on our ride to school, we were not even talking to each other because she was so angry, saying I never let her do anything by her. I'm always there to monitor her. But I hope one day she will understand that parents, it's not safe anymore out there. So we are so scared for our kids, even our grown kids. Like I have a 22-year-old. I'm still scared for him. Like I check up on him every now and then because of things that are happening. So now what more of a 10-year-old? So yes guys, my apps, let's do the cleaning. And yeah, because I'll be picking her up again later. So let's finish so that by 2 o'clock we are done.
In the darkness of my room, I sit alone. Tears falling heavy, my heart turning stone. Thought we had a love like no other before, but now it's gone, shattered on the floor. Every note on the piano, just a reminder of you. Every word I read tells a story so true. We were once in harmony, a symphony divine, but now we're separate tracks, out of sync in time. Love was a melody we played in perfect keys. Now it's a discord, a symphony of displease. Every sad note a reminder of your face. In this hard-style love song, there's no happy embrace. Broken dreams, shattered heart, whiskey on the floor, melodies of heartbreak echoing through the door. Lost love, empty nights, silence in the air. Every note I sing, a cry of pain I share. Tangled emotions, like a tune that never ends. Memories replayed, sorrow never mends. Melodic heartbreak, a haunting serenade. Searching for solace in every note I play. darkness of my room, I sit alone. Tears falling heavy, my heart turning stone. Thought we had a love like no other before, but now it's gone, shattered on the floor. Every note on the piano just a reminder.